While I was away, Makey emailed me, I don't know what that was, to let me know kindly that they were sending stuff from Amazon to my address for me to give away to you people on the channel. Cool, right? Except I was 5,000–6,000 miles away and we hadn't worked out any sort of terms, but super cool of them to send free stuff. So here we are. Let's get on with this and work out how we're going to do it. This involves something for Nikon and something for Fujifilm. As I don't shoot Nikon anymore, this is something that I haven't tested out yet. Speedlight VK800. It's given a 58 GN, ITTL, manual, illumination, wireless flash mode, remote mode, repeating flash mode, S1, S2. Look, let's have a quick butcher's. Ooh. Light stand right there. Nice little pouch with a belt loop, and the unit itself actually feels quite decent. Nice little number that. That is right up my street. Great for bounce flash all the way around. That's decent. But of course it needs testing out, and that's what I want you guys to do. If you get your hands on this, if you win this, let us know in a comment what you thought of it. We've got 3 of them, and we've got something that I've grown to love, the XT20 grip. We've got 3 of them to give away, so you already know. Check out the video if you haven't already, so you can see how this looks on the T20. But I took my own one. This is not my own one. I took my own one to my last couple of travels, Croatia, Colombia, etc., and no problem at all. Of course it works on your T10 too. So now the question is, how do we do this? Because frankly, you're probably gonna have to pay the postage. And I know that sounds a bit harsh, but I don't really make nearly enough money off the channel to be paying for your postage, you cheeky people. Anyway, it's a bit random. It's free stuff, just pay postage. How do you feel about that? If you're in the UK, I already know more or less, you know, that's not too expensive. If you're in Birmingham, well, I'm sure we can work something out. Subscribe, add me on Twitter, and share this post on your social media. Don't forget to tag me at Damian Brown, as it is right there. And I think that will do, right? You know, these things straight from Makey via Amazon. So any questions about warranty and that, you know, just go through them. I'm sure they'll look after you, but you know, these have come straight from the Amazon. And yeah, what more do you want? Might be a bit random, but you know, free stuff, give or take the P&P. Subscribe, add me on Twitter if you're a Twitter user and you want the Nikon business, and share this post. And I'll get in touch with you guys via the social media that you share the post on. Give me a heads up in the comments below where you've shared it, maybe with your account on there. You know, if you got a cool Instagram account, put the link below. Hopefully, you know, you can get a few more followers that way too. I use Instagram as well, at Damian Brown. Again, nice and simple. We'll put it there. It will be the exact same thing as the Twitter one. Massive thanks to Makey for supplying the goods. Very cool. I'm quite confident about this flash, and I already regularly use the grip, so what more do I need to say?